This is by far my favorite saw. We've tested 8 folding saws, and this is the winner of all 8. Hi, I'm Jack Hemingway from the Gardening Products Review. Today we're testing the ARS G-18HL Folding Saw. Terrific saw, can't say enough good things about it. It has a latching mechanism to open and close the saw. It has some of the tightest, if not the tightest, tolerances of all the saws that I've tested to date. There's virtually no wiggle or play in this saw. It is very easy to start the cut, and the cut is very fast and very clean. The other thing I like about this is that it has a hooked handle where your pinky actually hooks into the bottom of this. It's very easy to hold on to. It also has ridges in the handle itself. It's not rubberized, but these ridges actually help to hold on to the saw. Again, this is a real quality saw. The other thing I wanted to mention is the blade is impulse-hardened, which is a metallurgical term, but basically what it means is that the blade will last 3 times longer than just straight carbon steel blades that are Marquenched hardened. This is truly an investment. It's not an inexpensive saw, but you're buying a quality saw with a blade that lasts. So if you're going to choose a saw and you want to have an investment, probably for life, this is the one to choose. And the other nice thing about it is it does have replaceable blades.